Oh look. It's a plant that has teeth. I think I will use it on someone's food during lunch. There's Blizzard with her lunch. Now I will use this plant to eat her food up.
Hey. My bucket of chicken. I was eating that. Hey you. You used that chumpy plant to eat my food up, did you?
Yes.
Principal.
No need to worry. I caught a student who was wearing a green shirt stealing my plant.
She also used your plant to remove my food as well.
Luna, what you did is very unacceptable. Stealing things from my office is rude. And you got Blizzard upset because you used my plant to eat her food. You are suspended for 3 days. I will also notify your parents. Give me back my plant and get out of this school now. Thank you. Go home now because you are suspended.
Luna, we got off the phone from your principal. She said that you stole her plant from the office and used it on Blizzard's food. You know that's very rude to do so.
That's it, Miss. You are grounded until your 3 days of school suspension is over.
Go upstairs to your room now.